Okay, Luke Combs, Beer Never Broke My Heart. The guitar part, the guitar riff that starts it out and pretty much carries through the other parts of the song, that's the main part that you're going to want to learn for this song. And it's pretty cool. It's not that hard. We're in drop D flat. So to get there, basically tune your entire guitar down half a step, right? And then tune to a drop D. Okay? So that's going to make you a drop D flat. So your D string, which is now actually D flat because you're down half a step, should be tuned an octave to your top string. That's it. Okay, so step by step, we're going to do top string, the top E string open. Then we're going to mute it out like that. We're going to come to the second fret, second string, your A string, and we're just going to hammer it up. We're not hammering it, we're picking both. But we're going to go back, then open, and then to the top string, third fret. Okay, so I'm going to play that very first part again for you. Okay, that's that whole first part. Now, then the second part, we're going to the third string down to our D string. All right, second fret. Okay, so that's hammering on actually this time. Then open. Second string down, your A string, third fret. Then open on that A string. Then we're going to third fret, top string E. We're going to stretch it. Open A string. Stretch it again, top string. Open top string. Do it really slow. Okay, so it's and that's that whole intro part. Okay, now when it first comes in, we're having a D right here. There's your part right there. That's the song. Now the rest of the song is pretty simple. We're droning a D on the one of every count. Lost out bass, bust my line. Couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off. Politicians lie, get fired by the boss that takes one hand. Count the things I can count on. There ain't no man ain't let me down. But long neck, ice cold beer never broke my heart. So the chorus is D, G, D, A. Alright? Pretty simple. Long neck, ice cold beer never broke my heart. Like a diamond rings, football teams tore this boy apart. Like a neon dream just on me, bars in this guitar. Long neck, ice cold beer never broke my heart. That's your song. Now we're not going into the solo today, but that gets you through the rhythm part and that opening lick. Now if you're interested in playing this on acoustic, I have a video up that also has the acoustic version of this, so you can busk and play at parties for your friends and things like that. But I thought it was pretty cool at the beginning. I thought you guys might enjoy learning it. Alright, thanks. Till next time.